John Young with Disc Jockey News. We're at DJ Expo, and right now we're at the K&M booth. And they got a lot of cool stands and things, and one of them I wanted to show you is this. This doesn't look like too much, just a crank-up stand. Well, this crank-up stand is one that, as a guy who has a lot of female DJs, they love this. It's a little bit old school because they have to actually hold the button, release the knob, hold the button, crank this up. But they can put a tree top, like a T-bar on this thing. They can put 100 pounds on this, maybe a little bit more. Crank it up, it's good to go. This will get about 7.5 feet high. Some of the times they need to go a little higher. Here is actually the stand itself. And if you can see it, there's a little bit of a hole in here with some screws for threading. You can put a 3-foot extension on this thing, and you can actually crank it up so you get about 10 feet high with that. So if you need your light tree up really, really super high, you can do it with that. These things are fabulous. I was just telling the guys, I've got probably close to 20 of these back at the office. I love these things, so check these out. We'll get the link in the description below, but these are the crank-up stands from K&M. This is John Young with the Disc Jockey News.